Improve your tooling performance with high-quality, innovative products from Standard Lifters. See how you can download free 3D CAD models of the products you need right from the Standard Lifters website. From the homepage, hover over Technical Data and choose a product line. You can narrow down the options by selecting the product specifications you need, such as the guide pin style, base style, bushing length, and more. Then, choose a product that matches your application needs. On the product page, scroll down to the Product Configurator. Here you can adjust the product using the options on the left. On the right, you see a real-time interactive preview of your configured product, which you can rotate, pan, and zoom within the window. To download free CAD models of the product, click the CAD Download tab. Click the Settings icon, and then click Add Formats. Choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a CAD file that works natively in your CAD software. Finally, click Start Generation. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes a 3D viewer, technical drawings, and a bill of materials. This is great for those who need to access the product data but don't need a large CAD file. For more tooling products and online CAD models, go to standardlifters.com and visit partssolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.